on the mission.
A mission.
Today is the day. Start your ignition. Let's take it away.
All the way to top.
We gotta rise. Gotta rise. Gotta rise. We gotta rise. Gotta rise. Gotta rise.
1.7 million stopover arrivals between January and November, a 2.4% increase over 2011. Over $1.7 billion recorded in earnings and airlifting to the island from new markets. Those monumental achievements in tourism in the past year were the products of sustained efforts by stakeholders to keep tourism as one of the main drivers of economic growth.
We must all come together to make tourism work for everyone, to ensure that we maximize the benefits of tourism for all, and encourage the continued growth and prosperity of Jamaica, land we love.
One of the major planks on which tourism's success in 2012 was built was the country's participation in the London Olympics.
What you're looking at is all the options that are available. You get the investor to the table and point out right now that the fact that Jamaica is front and center in the minds of people, and we have to take that opportunity.
For 10 days during the Games, the O2 Arena in London became the hub for all things Jamaican. It was the result of collaboration between the Ministries of Tourism and Industry Investment and Commerce, the Jamaica Promotions Corporation JAMPRO, and the Jamaica 50 Secretariat, and it garnered results almost immediately.
Virgin Holidays confirmed another flight from Gatwick to Montego Bay, which represents 25,000 new seats for next year. And TUI finalized an extra fortnightly flight for the winter to Montego Bay and weekly flights in the summer from Gatwick, Manchester, and Birmingham. This would add 11,000 new seats.
Approximately £1 million was allocated for promotional activities during the Olympics, resulting in a myriad of benefits for the tourism and business sectors especially. That achievement, just 2 weeks into the winter tourist season, was another result of rigorous marketing efforts to the tune of approximately $8 million in various areas. This not only allowed the island to welcome record numbers of visitors last year, but also to tap into markets it never did before, like the Czech Republic, Russia, and France, who had direct flights into Jamaica for the first time during 2012. Another first is on the horizon too, this time in the cruise shipping industry. Disney Cruise Lines will add the historic port of Falmouth to its call list this year, no doubt significantly increasing the number of cruise passengers coming into the island. Tours were also conducted at the Montego Bay and Ocho Rios cruise shipping ports, and discussions are taking place with public and private partners to carry out development works.
It is only through this kind of initiative that communities can really develop, because until we have developed the human resource, the capital, the human capital that we have in communities, we will never truly develop communities.
Minister Buchanan was speaking in June at the signing ceremony for a community-based tourism strengthening and promotional project, just one of the many